Yo, you guys see this pool right here? Guess where we're at? You won't guess. We're at the airport. Yo, roll that intro. Bye, Joshy. Gonna miss you, sir. Jasmine, gonna roll right off that bed. You gonna miss me, Jacob? What's that big old lip for?
Pretty nice.
Love you. Gonna go back to Kuwait today. It's raining hard out there. You guys gonna miss me? Yo, I was trying to get that guy right there to go around. We are on our way to the airport. Yo, what's up? We just got to the airport. That was like a 2-hour drive. We'll go check in my bags right now. I just got my tickets and I checked into this little priority line because I bypassed all that stuff right there. Yo, son, check it out. I got that business class lounge only. Bye-bye.
Bye, Dad.
Farewell.
Bye. Love you.
Yo, what's up, guys? We just made it through the checkpoint and we're going to airline lounges. Let's roll. Yo, what's up, guys? We're over here at the Skyview Lounge, and to be honest, it's kind of weak compared to the other one next door, that Pags. I'll show you guys around though. Welcome. See that right there? Just in case you want to piss and wash your hands at the same time. Let's try the Pacific Club out. Alright guys, that Pacific Club kind of sucked, so I'm gonna go back to that Pags, that one I went to before I went to Cambodia. That one's the best one here. Out of the 3 in Manila, Pags is the way to go. Yo guys, this is why the Pags Lounge is the best lounge. See this right here? Yeah. Yeah, pork show my all day. See guys, look at that, San Mig on tap. All right guys, we're headed to the gate. Yo, what's up guys? We're at Doha Qatar. We're at the airport right by the bear. But did you know up there, right above that CDE, there's a swimming pool. Let's check it out. Yo, what's up guys? We're at the Vitality Spa here in Doha, Qatar. We're at the airport. Who knew you could swim at the airport, right? Check it out. Bam. Look, I had no shorts either. I had to buy a pair of these shorts right here. Oh yeah, you know who's gonna look sexy. All right guys. Plus, I get the pool, I get the jacuzzi, and I get the gym. They also have golf for extra prices. Anyways, guys, let's go swimming. So this right here, guys, this is the locker room. This is where you put all your stuff before you go swimming, go hit up the gym, do whatever you want to do. Let's go change, guys. Whoa, ready to go swimming. This right here, guys, this is the pool. And that over there, that's the terminals. Yo, See that over there? You guys see that over there? That's all them suckers waiting for their planes while I'm over here swimming. Oh yeah, guys, it's looking nice. This right here, this is where it's at. This right here is where you take showers. Whoa, a thong. Whoa, a thong. Got the shave kits. Yo son, this is a state-of-the-art gym right here. They pump in freaking oxygen at higher altitude. You know what I'm saying? Get swole up in here. We go beast mode. Yo, did someone crack an egg on me? Cause I'm freaking yoked. 999,099. 1 million. Even on vacation, I'm grinding. You know what I mean? Squash? Shit, I don't like no vegetables. Thank you. On my way from Doha to Kuwait, and then I'm home. Yo, son, I hate getting bussed out to my plane. It's some bullshit. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back home, but without no kids. Anyways, remember what I told you guys before? Before you leave your house on vacation, clean it, or you can hire a maid. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the vacation. See you guys later. Peace. I think I'm allergic to these weights, because I get freaking swole.